Lewis Capaldi, Before You Go. This is an interesting song. It kind of reminds me of old Bob Dylan in terms of the meter, the rhythm of it, because it goes all over the place. So I just want to say that from the very beginning. And also, please subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I'd love to hear from you. Hit the subscribe button. So we're capo to the first fret, okay? So when I call out chords, it's because I'm calling it as, you know, first position chord from the capo. So they're not the actual chord. This is actually an E flat, but we're going to call it a D. So the way this starts is, I'm going to take this apart from like intro, verse, chorus. So it starts out D to B minor, that's G, it does like an A sus to an A. That's the intro, and you'll notice if you play along with it, it's hard for me to explain because he's not going right on the beat. He's going where he feels it with his vocals, and he kind of does this so it's that's the picking there. Okay, so here's the chorus. So, it repeats that. So one thing I did want to show you on this, so I'm listening to the original here, and this G note, which is like basically incorporated in the D chord you got. I also noticed that when he does the A position, he leaves that note in. And then in the B minor position, it's already in. And actually, in the G, I hear it too, which would make that a G major 7. But I wouldn't worry about that. But I do want to mention that because it's, you hear that note, that it's still there. Then you go to the G position, and then it repeats that. So I think it's worth mentioning that drone note is very much a part of the sound that this guy has in his song. He lets one note ring over the chord changes. Which is a pretty effective thing. Okay, here's the bridge. As a B minor, back to the chorus. So that's Lewis Capaldi, Before You Go. A really interesting song. I was just talking to my buddy here, and when we first heard it, it's deceptively simple. I wasn't sure about it, but I really like that bridge, and I think it's a cool tune, so I hope you enjoy it. Hit subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks very much.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! rock and roll.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.